Today we're going to bring a 12-volt power drill. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Not only that, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for a review. So let's take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, let's go ahead and review a couple of things from the drill itself. So first of all, you get the power cord. All right, you're going to need this to actually charge your battery. You get the battery, a 12-volt battery, and it's a pretty unique battery. It's not the standard battery. It's a cartridge battery. And then this heavy duty drill. Now they do have in different colors. I know, of course, this one's pink, but they have in various colors. You get the manual, you get the actual drill heads, and these are metal, stainless steel. Some of the points, if you guys can see, some of the points are pretty strong, pretty rugged, and they're already oiled, ready to go. And then they give you an extension, and of course various Phillips and a flathead, and they're included in that too. So let's go ahead and set it up. And just to let you guys know, you're probably gonna have the same issue because the manual does not tell you how to charge it. Now, it took me quite a while to figure it out, believe it or not, but it relies on the actual battery. It's a hidden right there. If you guys see it, you actually get the plug, you plug it in there, and that's how you charge it. Now, I'm going to show you how you actually line up and set this up. So first of all, let me show you how the drill works, all right? It has a unique sound to it, all right? It's more robotic than the actual drill. So first, it's a triangle that you have to fit in there. Once you set it up, hit it in there. To take it out, you pull these two things and you pull it back. You actually push these two buttons and you pull it back, and that's how you get it out. Now, the actual drill head tells you exactly how much voltage we have. We are in the middle right now. We're missing one light. Now, you got the reverse and counterclockwise in here. And these are the actual different actions, and they give you a little indication from 1 all the way to 23, all right? So pretty much the strength of the actual screw, or the actual strength of the actual rotation. That's pretty much what you're gonna get. Now, the audio, you're not gonna hear it, but it sounds more robotic. It does automatically open and lock here, if you guys noticed. You can lock it in for smaller screw, and this is universal. It's going to work for a lot of different drill heads and a lot of different items that you have included. So this is kind of a universal. Now in front of it, they do give you a little LED light. That's kind of something standardized now these days. That people are working more in dark and enclosure areas. Now this one is a lot smaller than the actual regular drill heads I currently hold. So this is really unique for 12 volts. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.